Hello again. We were revising about the Portuguese navigators, right? Who were the navigators and everything. So, while learning about them, we came across Almeida, right? We know who Almeida is. So, when Almeida came to India, a battle happened. We studied in last class, right? Battle of Chaul. So, Battle of Chaul is something that happened when Almeida came. Along with Battle of Chaul, another battle also took place, and that is Battle of Diu. Okay, remember Battle of Chaul and Battle of Diu. So, can you see the picture here where ships are engaged in a battle? Ships are fighting with each other. This is what exactly happened during Battle of Chaul and Battle of Diu. Okay, this is a picture of Battle of Diu. What happened in Battle of Diu? Okay, let's see what Battle of Chaul is and what is Battle of Diu. Okay, so before there are two reasons for Battle of Chaul. Okay, Battle of Chaul happened because of two reasons. Let's see what these two reasons are. Okay, whenever you are asked to write about Battle of Chaul, remember to write these two reasons. Okay, so the first reason is that the Portuguese, okay, before the Portuguese came, the Indian Ocean trade, that is the trade with India, was controlled by Arabs, right? The Indian Ocean trade was controlled by the Arabs before the Portuguese came. When the Portuguese came, this control was lost. Okay, the Portuguese got the control. And what happened? The Egypt and Turkey, okay, they were two Arabian countries, okay, they were affected by this. They were negatively affected. Their trade interests were affected. So this was the first reason for the Battle of Chaul. Okay, I will repeat again. Before the Portuguese came, the Arabs controlled the Indian Ocean trade, and when the Portuguese came, they tried to break the Arabian control. Okay, the Arabian control was lost, and the Portuguese started controlling the trade, and this affected Egypt and Turkey. Okay, now let's see what the second reason is. Okay, so there were two states or two kingdoms in India, Bijapur and Gujarat, and the rulers of Bijapur and Gujarat, they were sultans. They were called sultans, and these sultans were scared by the Portuguese control of ports. Ports are where the ships which come for trade come and stay. Okay, they come and stay in ports. So these ports came under the control of Portuguese, and this scared the sultans of Bijapur and Gujarat. Very simple. So these are the two reasons, okay, which led to Battle of Chaul. Okay, remember these two reasons. Now let's see what happened in Battle of Chaul. So, due to these two reasons that we discussed, Egypt, Turkey and Gujarat, okay, these three places, Egypt, Turkey and Gujarat, remember this, they formed an alliance, they formed a team to fight against the Portuguese. Egypt, Turkey and Gujarat formed a team to fight against the Portuguese. Okay, and then in a place called Chaul, near a place called Chaul, a battle was fought, and in that battle the Muslim fleet or the Muslim ships, okay, group of the Muslim ships defeated the Portuguese. Just remember that in Battle of Chaul the Portuguese lost and the Muslim fleet, that is Egypt, Turkey and Gujarat, won. Okay, and then in that Battle of Chaul, Almeida's son was killed. So this is what happened in Battle of Chaul, right? And then what happened? Another battle was fought in Diu. Okay, a place called Diu. After Battle of Chaul, the Battle of Diu happened, and then this Battle of Diu, okay, Almeida was the leader of the Portuguese. Okay, Almeida was the leader of the Portuguese, and Almeida, what did he do? He helped the Portuguese to win. Right? In Battle of Diu, the Portuguese won. Okay, they were the winners, and the Muslim fleet, they lost. Okay, so remember, in Battle of Chaul, the Muslim fleet, they won. Okay, and the Portuguese lost, and in the Diu, the Portuguese won and the Muslim fleet lost. Okay, so always remember Battle of Chol and Battle of, don't get it confused. Okay, there are two reasons for Battle of Chol, right? And after these two reasons, what happened? Turkey, Egypt and Gujarat, they formed an alliance or team to fight against the Portuguese. And what happened? The Portuguese lost, the Muslim fleet won. Okay, and another battle was fought again in Diu, and in this battle, what happened? In this battle, the Portuguese won. Okay, Almeida was the leader and the Portuguese won. Okay, and finally what happened? By 1509, the year 1509, the naval supremacy in Asia was claimed by Portuguese. Okay, that is, the Portuguese navy became very supreme, very powerful. So the importance of Battle of Chol and Battle of Diu is very much, so you really need to look into it. Okay, there are some questions that you need to answer. So if you want to listen again to this video, listen, read your textbook about Battle of Chol and Battle of Diu, okay, and answer the questions. I have also sent you notes, so go through your notes and then answer the questions. Thank you so much.